Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette, where you can find easy, delicious, and healthy home-cooked recipes. And today, I will share another recipe that is easy, delicious, and healthy that fit to your budget. Fried eggplant topped with minced pork. Write in the comment what country you are watching my video. For my followers, thank you for being with me once again. And for my new viewers, I hope you enjoy and learn from this recipe. And subscribe at the end of the video. Have 1 piece of medium-sized tomato. Cut, remove the hard core, and cut into cubes. Tomatoes are juicy fruits that can boost your health and beauty with their rich nutrients and antioxidants. Lycopene, the pigment that gives tomatoes their red color, is a powerful protector against cancer, heart disease, and skin aging. This recipe is made easy for you to follow. This recipe is good for 1 to 2 serving. If you need to serve more, then adjust the ingredients. Subscribe to join our community. We love hearing from you. Tomatoes are packed with nutrients, and their benefits are even greater when they are cooked, helping towards lower blood fat levels, quicker post-exercise recovery times, healthier skin, and a reduced cancer risk. So both cooked and raw tomatoes are full of nutrients. One piece of pepper. Cut and remove the both ends. Slice in the middle, remove the seeds, and then slice. This kind of pepper is just mild. It can bring a little bit kick to the food. Aside from its tasty goodness, it helps prevent disease and improving well-being with phytochemicals and antioxidants, reducing inflammation and improving cardiovascular health, maintaining stomach health and facilitating digestion with fiber, increasing metabolism and lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels, relieving pain and swelling associated with bone disorders like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Your feedback helps us grow. Tell us, what would you like to see next? Chop or mince 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. It won't be a mistake if you add more, because garlic contains compounds with potent medicinal properties. It is highly nutritious, but has very few calories. Garlic can help protect against illness, including the common cold. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. We need 1 piece of medium size of red onion and slice. Did you know that onions are rich in antioxidants, such as quercetin, anthocyanins, and sulfur compounds? They have analgesic properties and can relieve pain and swelling. They treat ulcers by healing the gastric mucosa and preventing bacterial growth. We also need 20 grams of minced pork for additional protein. Have 3 pieces of eggplant, cut and remove the both ends. Cut into 2 pieces, then cut in the middle. If you are not likely eating some eggplants, well, after watching this video, I'm surely you will start love cooking and eating it. Because eggplant has antioxidants like vitamins A and C, which help protect your cells against damage and may prevent cancer. It has polyphenols, which may help cells process sugar better and lower cholesterol. It is good for digestion and may relieve indigestion, constipation, and flatulence. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, massage, and let it for 5 minutes. In a heated pan, put cooking oil and fry the eggplant. Here is cooking tips when frying eggplant. First, fry the skin side. If you started cooking the inside part, it absorbed much cooking oil. Fry for 2 minutes, then flip over and another 2 minutes or until golden brown. Eggplants may improve bone health by providing calcium, iron, and magnesium, and promotes weight loss by being low in calories and high in fiber too. It improves heart health by lowering blood pressure and preventing blood clots. It may help in the management of diabetes by regulating blood sugar levels. What are your views? Tell us in the comment. Remove the eggplant and set aside. Hit the like button if you're ready for more easy, quick, and healthy home-cooked recipes. In same pan, start sauteing the garlic and onion. Keep on stirring until aroma comes out, but don't let it burn out. Then add the tomato and continue cooking for 3 minutes. Add the minced pork and continue cooking for 2 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of vegetable flavor, 1 teaspoon basil, 1 teaspoon parsley, and 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce. Continue mixing the ingredients for 1 minute, then add the bell pepper, then turn off the heat. I hope you enjoy and learn today's recipe, and hope to see you on my next video. Subscribe and turn on notification bell for you to be always updated. Have a happy, healthy meal.